Alright, what's up, guys? Well, got carried away tearing this console apart. I decided I forgot to film some of it, so this is where I'm at right now. About to pull the center part out. Everything's loose, should slide on out so I can take these bolts off on the boot and pull his old shifter out. I got me a new shifter and put it in. Short throw. It's a economy shifter from late model. It was about 70 bucks, I think. Yeah, about 70 bucks. And it's a pretty good shifter by all the reviews and all. And I'm gonna pop it in and see how it goes. So right now I got pretty much everything tore apart. Wasn't too hard, just a lot of hassle. Just put a shifter in, I guess. So, well, this is where I'm at right now. Just, I dropped my glove box. Should just slide on out. Alright, got the console out of the way. And I guess I really didn't have to take that off, but I did. So I gotta remove these 4 bolts, take this plate and boot off, and sure we'll get to the shifter. Alright, got the old shifter out. I just need to clean it up a little bit. And that's the new shifter. Going in. So yeah, just need to clean that up a little bit. Throw a nice speed of a gasket down and bolt it right back in. Alright, get you a nice good bead of gasket sealer on there. And we're going to put that ball in that hole right there and go down, make a nice good seal, and bolt it down. Looks pretty good right there. Alright, got the new shifter in. Just put the boot back in. I already adjusted my stops. Pretty simple. Now I just gotta throw the dash, everything back in. Should be fun. Should go back together a lot easier than taking it apart. I never took a console out before, so throw it back together and take it for a test drive. Alright, so I took the car out for a little bit, and so far that shifter feels good. Shifts a whole lot better than the old shifter I had on it. A lot shorter throw. I want to say at least half of what it used to be. So it can go, it's real short, so you can slam gears no problems. But yeah, everything's back together. Decided to keep the armrest off right now. Doesn't really do anything. It's kind of broken anyway on top, so I got the carpet pulled back there. Thinking about putting an amp and a sub in. Haven't really made my mind yet. I'll probably just do something cheap. Give it a little bit of bass in here. Not looking to win any competitions or anything. Just probably like a single 10 or something. If I can hear it over the engine. So anyways, that's all to it. Got the new shifter in. No, the shifter was in, it was still stock, so